Well, we have some pretty exciting April weather news, I guess.
Yeah, I mean, after a really, we've been all over the place.
Yep,
April is a time of transition. We're going to get a little shot of winter in the higher terrain, and down low, maybe a couple rumbles of thunder tomorrow. In the meantime, let's go ahead and show you radar right now. We do have some pretty good rain now. It's just beginning to creep out of the coast range into the western parts of Yamhill and Washington County. That's kind of just the beginning of what we have coming our way this afternoon. Increasing rain, so becoming rainy. If it's not already rainy for you, it will be. And the breeze, which has been noticeable this morning, will be with us throughout the afternoon, evening, and for the first part of tomorrow as well. Then tomorrow we transition into a shower and sunbreak kind of a day. Frequent showers, maybe some thunder, hail likely in some of the stronger showers. So all the things we know and love about April. And big snow in the Cascades. We'll get to that in a second. And then a break between storms as we get into Thursday and Friday. We could have a pretty chilly start, like maybe some widespread frost on, if not Thursday morning, possibly Friday morning. All right, we'll get to that in a minute. The big story up at the Cascades, of course, is the KGW weather impact alert for increasing snow through tonight and tomorrow morning. That's going to be the heaviest of the snow, I think. The steadiest heavy snow overnight tonight through about 10 o'clock tomorrow morning. So just be aware of that. Snow level will drop to as low as 1,500 feet at times tomorrow. And storm totals, this is impressive, of 12 to 20 inches up at the Cascade ski resorts, and really anywhere over about 3,500 to 4,000 feet. So the big travel concern, if you have to travel between Central Oregon and the Willamette Valley, is it likely we're going to have chain requirements here, so you need to be prepared for harsh winter driving, and maybe one of those situations where you just skip it if you're able to. All right, over the last 3 hours, the rain has been on the uptick. Big storm system here diving out of the Gulf of Alaska, a cold storm system. Air very, very cold aloft with this, and that'll be one of the things that triggers the potential for some thunder showers tomorrow afternoon once the cold front actually swings on through the region. All right, snowfall potential up at the Cascades. Again, we talked about 12 to 20 inches up at the ski resorts. It's possible that the highest terrain of the coast range, so that includes Highway 6 and Highway 26, that we see some light accumulations up in the coastal passes as well. That would be primarily tomorrow morning into the early afternoon. All right, here's Futurecast today. Again, the light rain on the increase. Rain becomes a little steadier, a little heavier as we get into later tonight. And then I'm going to stop the clock early tomorrow morning as the cold front passes. This is when I think we're looking at the period of the heaviest, steadiest rain. A real shot of some good rain right over the I-5 corridor early tomorrow morning. Also, with that banding there, the snow levels could briefly lower to as low as maybe 1,000 feet. Briefly, I don't think we're going to have any sticking snow situations, but in any event, steady stuff moves on out, and then we go into the shower and sunbreak routine. There we are tomorrow afternoon at 12:30. You get these yellow and orange blobs popping up. Bam, bam, bam. Showers and maybe some embedded rumbles of thunder. Not only that, but also some small hail. So busy 36 hours coming our way, and a wet 36 hours as well, on the order of an inch to an inch plus of rain in the valleys, and gusty south winds on the order of 25 to 30 miles an hour at times through early tomorrow. And then that front shifts to the east, and the winds east of the Cascades will really get cranking later tomorrow. All right, for the remainder of today, again, temperatures not going very far. Low 50s will do it with increasing rain and some gusty south wind in the Willamette Valley. And our 7-day forecast, steady rain shuts off probably during our morning commute, but then we're going into the showers and sunbreaks on Wednesday afternoon, and some of the heavier showers could have some thunder and some hail. We'll get a break in the action Thursday and Friday, and then we'll wait to see if we get some more rain coming in later Saturday and Sunday. We'll be right back.